Hi everyone, I am Dr. Gopinath, orthopedic surgeon practicing in Chennai. We all know the factors which prevent the spread of the COVID 19 virus are like social distancing of minimum 1 meter distance, frequent washing of the hands with soap and water or with sanitizer, avoid touching the nose, mouth, face, and finally, not the least, by wearing the face mask. So today we are going to see something about the face mask. What are the types of mask? And in the upcoming video we are going to see how to use the face mask properly. So there are three types of face masks are available. One is surgical or procedure mask. Another is a cloth or fabric mask. And another one is a respirator mask. So, what is the difference between mask and the respirator? Mask has a loose fit, it doesn't seal the nose, mouth snugly. But the respirator has a tight fit that seal the nose, mouth snugly, and as well as the air enter only through after the filtration in the respirator mask. So we know there are three types. One is the respirator mask, second is a surgical or procedure mask, and third is the cloth or fabric mask. In that respirator mask, there are different types of respirator masks that are available. They named as NRP. What is the meaning of N? N is not oil proof, R is oil resistant, and P is oil proof. So that is why it's named as NRP. So among N, there are three types are available. There is N95, N99, N100. So how they are differentiating this N95, N99, N100 is according to its filtration capacity. So what is this 95, 99 and 100 is? That is having 95% of the filtration capacity, and another one is 99% of the filtration capacity, and another one, third one is 99.9% of the filtration capacity. That is why it is differentiated as N95, N99, N100. And coming to the surgical mask, usually it wear by the healthcare workers, and it block only the larger particles or droplets, splashes. So filtration capacity may vary from 10 to 90% according to the manufacturers. It is having layers, that is 5 layer and 7 layers like that. So each layer add upon 10% of the filtration capacity, nothing more than that. So wearing more than 5 layers may not give you much help. And coming to the cloth or fabric mask, cloth is a woven material, so the pore size is bigger than surgical mask or respirator mask. So when compared to the other mask, cloth or surgical mask is less effective in filtering the particles. And how should we know whether the mask is effective or not? is by certification by the NIOSH or NPPTL. What is meant by NIOSH? NIOSH means National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health. And what about NPPTL means National Personal Protective Technology Laboratory. So by certification of these two agencies, we come to know the quality of the mask. And what about the reusability? Cloth or fabric mask can be reusable, respirator mask can be reusable, but the surgical or procedure mask is disposable, that cannot be reused, that is used only once. And so we come across many of them wearing the respirator mask with the valve. So what is that valve? Valve is nothing but a simple exhalation port with one way valve mechanism. Why it is used? It reduces the effort of expiration, reduces the heat inside the mask, and it used to dissipate humidity and reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the dead space of the mask. Is that need to be routinely used? No, not necessarily. And it also not advisable to use a respirator mask with valve. So by seeing all this, we come to know a brief outline of types of mask available in the market. And in the upcoming video, we are going to see how to use a mask and what are the masks used by the different kind of people, who can else use mask and which type of mask, like that we are going to discuss in the upcoming video. Thank you.